2, talking about the theory X versus the theory Y management. And so the first question talks about how do you think employees tend to react to the theory X versus theory Y? I think we all like to believe that we're inherently efficient in our work ethic, and so not a lot really like the theory X idea, unless you're like maybe a manager and that's like kind of your job is to just kind of articulate on your employees and seeing if they are doing a good job or not. But a lot of us, I would like to say, if it comes from a personal just idea, a lot of us would like to think why. But I don't believe necessarily that you could have a good work ethic without going through the theory X. Like the theory Y would not be possible, like with your work ethic. It would not be possible if you're inherently a theory X, because I think the trials and like the discipline builds up. It doesn't come out of nowhere, right? And so, I think inherently we are theory X, just due to laziness. I don't think anyone really necessarily wants to work in the first place, and then eventually over time you kind of grow and you kind of like learn more about having like a proper work ethic. And so does it really depend on the situation, work environment, or individual employees reporting to the manager? I 100% agree to that. I think like it either brings up your work ethic or it brings it down. A lot of encouragement, and then just kind of seeing your progress. It goes a long way with any employee, regardless of who you are. It just sorry. Where was I? Yeah, like no one wants to do anything that they're not really good at, unless you are getting constant feedback, or you see some sort of change. Like eventually you're gonna want to quit something that you're not good at if you don't see change, no matter how big or small that is. And so just with the theory X and theory Y, I don't I don't think theory Y is possible without theory X. So I do believe that we're inherently lazy workers, because we just don't know what to do exactly. The younger we are, especially, but that grows over time. We eventually learn and evolve into the theory Y, and so that, I guess that's why it makes it kind of difficult. Is just trying to just articulate which theory is more prevalent. So thanks.